What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our September 2019 Dronedrop. If you don't know what Dronedrop is, it's pretty much a FPV subscription box where you can purchase it for around $40 to $50 a month, and you get some random parts in the mail every month, and it's a surprise. So everybody's like kind of looking forward to their box to see what they get every month. So that's what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and see what we got for the month of September. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Alrighty, so looks like right off the bat we got some stickers here. Thick Sheep, Team Black Sheep stickers, Skanky FPV. Oh, they're alright. Looks like right here we got ourselves a brand new, yeah, this is definitely a goggle strap. An Ethics goggle strap we got. I can definitely use one of these. I actually don't have one. One of these big thick straps. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. So yeah, cool. And then it looks like we got here. Oh, it's weird how they put it in this package. Some wire cutters or side cutters. Can always use these when building quads and whatnot. And zip ties. Looks like we also got ourselves a battery strap. Cool. And it looks like for the boost this month, we got ourselves a Viva 60 amp 4-in-1 B-Heli 32 3-6S ESC. I think I got quite a few ESCs this month. I think the only one that didn't give me an ESC was Quad Box. I got a one in the other box too. Yeah, so we got some XT60 here. And then we also got ourselves the ESC itself. Yeah, looks pretty nice. We'll try it out. The quad. Cool. And then looks like we got some props here. We got some 5145 Cyclone Pro props. Yep, that's what we got. I like these props, actually. These are one of my favorite. But yeah, that should pretty much do it for the Dronedrop for the month of September. I do these every month. I have done Quad Box this week. I already done FPV Crate. So if you want to check out those boxes, unboxings, you can go ahead and check out that video on my channel. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Did you like this box? Did you hate it? What would you rather have instead of the ESC if you thought it was crummy? But if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do tons of tutorials, unboxings, and all that stuff, and reviews. So I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.